come to really like Olivia Rodrigo songs. I'm too old for that.
Craigie T. You can't be too old for music, man. Don't matter. Don't matter.
What happened?
Craigie T goes, I'm coming to like Olivia Rodrigo songs. I think I'm too old for that.
Oh, Craig.
Let's get it started, yeah. Let's get it started, yeah.
Crazy. Olivia Rodrigo and you're ripping Disney. Did you ever think that that would be your life at this point of stage and age?
Oh, man. We got 75s, too.
Yeah, I got 75 over here.
Betsy, Shearer, Coolio.
Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Appreciate you guys for getting that one filled up quickly.
These are regular sleeves. Good luck, guys.
1-1 incoming, baby. Let's go.
Come on, let's get a swoosh. Let's get a shield.
She is
F a swoosh.
I am 42. I could be her dad.
You could be her daddy, too.
I mean, you could. Oh, man. Oh, Jesus.
Good luck, guys.
By the way, Craig picked these boxes.
Yeah.
Just throwing that out.
Michael Williams, RIP to 225. Franchise Foundations of Michael Penix Jr. Just to throw it away. Colston Loveland. Come on, come on, come on. Bang! Bang!
Let's go, Dispatch. Let's go.
Dispatch, let's go, girl. Nice hit. Nice hit. Gold to 10. What a time to have that in a Travion.
Beautiful hit. That's why, dude.
Dude.
I'm telling you, don't sleep on FOTL, guys.
Give me Millie. Give me Millie. Ink me the fuck. Oh my
Jeez.
God. Dimple! We just paid two people already in the first two packs.
Wow.
We just paid two people already in the first two packs.
What were the two teams we've been screaming about all day? Bears and Seahawks. We said we're valued.
Two people paid already in the first two packs.
Jalen Milroe to 10 and Colton Loveland to 10. First two packs, Al. First two packs.
Yeah, buddy.
Can we go 3 for 3 with golds?
That'd be nuts.
That would be.
How about a 101?
Just end the stream.
This would be a color match if it's gold. To 299, TJ Watt. And then we have RJ Harvey. RJ Harvey. Anything? Panthers?
Doesn't mess around.
I think just Panthers. Anything else? Anything else?
I thought he had more.
Icky Woods. Wow.
Oh, that's sick.
To 15. Going to the Bengals. Icky Shuffle.
Get some cold cuts.
That's funny. We got 130.
130, yeah.
Oh, yeah, dude. Just to make it blue.
Chris do the woo at the end of.
Woo! Getting some cold cut. Fun fact, having cold cuts for dinner.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm having cold cuts for lunch. Tyler Warren. And then a Franchise Foundations of Xavier Worthy. Amon-Ra. St. Brown on the patch to 299. Going to the Leons. There, another goal. No, it's not goal. I lied. Enos Williams to 99 on the color match red. And a Buda Baker to 17. You see Darren Bland yesterday get, like, dropped like a basketball player getting crossed up? That's got to be top 10 play right there. Marvin frickin' Harry. Crossing him up like a basketball player on the field. I had money on the Cowboys. I couldn't do nothing but laugh. I couldn't do nothing but laugh at that. There's Ashton Genty on the rookie patch napkin to $4.99. Come on, we're gonna get something better for him though. And then a Jalen Noel. We're gonna get something better for the Raiders. Don't worry. Move along. Patty French fries to 225 and a Dylan Gabriel going to Craigie T. Not Dylan Gabriel, Miles Garrett. I'm tripping.
Close enough.
This one's mad thin. Jesse Bates. Deion Sanders. Another gold. Malik Neighbors.
Wow. G-Man.
Gold to 10. Damn, son. Malik the Freak. Gold to 10.
That's nasty.
Dr. Jones, baby.
Second year, gold to 10. Take
Dr. Jones, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. Guys, the random team break is next. It's a random team break. Spots 1 through 32. Once all spots are sold, you will find out what team you get.
That was one box.
Yep.
3 golds in one box.
Another Malik Neighbors to 25. Going to the Giants. Jackson Dart would have been sick
That
right
would have
there.
been crazy.
Well, we'll take that.
Hell yeah.
Go for the rainbow, man. Go for that rainbow. It'll be an affordable rainbow, I'll tell you that. You got a good start to it.
Yeah.
You got a good start to it. It will be an affordable one.
Yeah, I think the only one that will hurt is the 101.
But he's hurt right now, so now's the time. Now's the time to get it. That's an attainable rainbow right there. Ramondre to $3.99, and then Franchise Foundation of James Cook. Riley Leonard. Jalon Walker, rookie gold to 10. There's another one.
Holy crap.
That's our 1, 2, 3. That's our 4th gold of the break.
Not even through 2 boxes yet.
That's our 4th gold of the break here. That's how we do what we do. It's just this is going to be the gold stand on the bottom. If you're not gold, you don't make the cut. Tank, George Kittle, Franchise Foundation, Mason Taylor to 35 RPA for the Jets. Mason Taylor RPA to 35 going to the Jets. Who's got Jetties here? Iowa Daddy, let's go. That's going to be their franchise player now. Mason Taylor, they don't got nobody left. The best player on the team. Besides Garrett, he's the best player on the team. Shamar Stewart to $2.99.
Is it 4 o'clock?
And a Will Howard.
Oh,
Oh, I thought it was gold again. Ah, damn it. I'm going to take the over. There. No. Oh, I thought we had Tet. Trevor Etienne, rookie auto to 30. And that Kelsey. Trevor Etienne, rookie auto to 30. Dripping, 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 and go.
Yeah. If you just want to sort it and then. Yeah.
There is Keandre. And a Devin Hester on the Immortals. I love gold. Somebody's got to put that in the thingy. Somebody's got to put that. Ooh, it's gonna be a good pack here. Elijah Arroyo on the rookie patch, $3.99. Colson Loveland to 50, and Omarion Hampton to 13. Going to the Chargers.
There we go.
Hampton to 13. That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
I like how the worst card in that pack was a Colson Loveland to 50. Like, holy crap.
This top loader's all messed up. I was like, why isn't it going through? Split up the middle, that's why.
Wow.
And this one's the same.
Really? What do you need? 75?
75s. This one looks good. This one's good. And I can feel you bring.
We don't waste times with numbers. Hey, yeah, Mark. Yeah, but I guarantee you gem that thing up, you're probably getting a decent penny on it.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Rookie patch of Ashton Genty again. Come on, where's my ink? It's still better than the last one. I told you we were going to get a better one. It's a $1.99 two-color patch for the Raiders. The Raiders. Dr. Jones.
I mean, what did you get the Raiders for? 26 bucks?
Yep. There's Michael Williams to 20 on the RPA. To 20 on the RPA. R.I.P. All right, box number 2. 3. That was box number 2.
That was that.
That's what I meant to say.
We could have did a 2-box break and everyone would have been like, that's an amazing ass break.
Yep.
We still got 2 boxes left, guys. If you want your shot at Rando's team, 75 per down below.
Come on, Marky. Come on, Marky. Elik Ayamanor. Kelvin Banks Jr. to 17. That's a nice color match, sort of, for the Saints. And a Travion Henderson. Last box magic for you, 144. Isaac Grudendo on the patch auto veteran for the Niners. Going to Melissa. She never sent over she asked to cancel. She never sent it, so.
She's actually doing pretty well.
She's doing very well.
Williams,
But I don't even know if she is in here and know she has it. It is what it is. I asked her multiple times to send it over. Another Loveland, number to 399.
Wow.
And a Souse. Would you, dear Maria, count me in? George Pickens for the Cowboys. Slim Pickens. And Xavier Worthy.
No, they're not. They're not going to draft Dylan Raiola. He's not even coming out.
Come on, Craigie T. Come on, Craigie T. One time for the good time, baby. One time for the good time, baby.
Wow.
Mason Graham to 15 RPA going to Craigie T.
Listen, nice hit, but not the player we wanted. We still take it. It's the first one. Let's go. Let's go, Esteban.
Someday. Bryce Young on the patch, $2.99 for the Panthers. And a Tyler Shuck to 13. First on the print.
Woo! Saints!
First on the print.
If he starts playing well, man, that could be a big card.
The auto hasn't gotten hit, right?
What?
The shield hasn't gotten hit. The
Not that
swoosh
I'm aware
has.
of. Give me ink.
Bastards. Guys, I mean, if you see how lit this break is, the next one is random team.
Yeah. $75 to get in for FOTL.
Dylan?
Hey.
Dylan Gabriel RPA for Craigie T to 35. Oh, Mr. Craigie T. Now we need Shador.
Can you imagine?
James Pierce. Imikeg Buka to 149 for the Bucks. And then we have Jared Verse to 299. All right, that's box number 3. Now we're on to box number 4. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck.
Come on.
Give me the Ashton Genty, baby.
Crazy that was a dud box and we hit a rookie quarterback to 17 and a rookie quarterback RPA. That was the worst box of the break so far.
This is true.
Mike, you definitely did. You have Jets. Jets and Falcons. And possibly more. That's just my quick glance, I would add.
That's what I see.
So you have the Mason Taylor RPA. And then Jalen Walker to 10, which is cool.
Terrence Ferguson to 299. Justin Herbert franchise. Zay Flowers to 25 going to the Ravens. And then Jaden Higgins. Ow. Alvin Kamara to 299. And John Elway. Mark Olsen, you might be right. I haven't seen one yet either.
No
Case
way.
hit.
Again?
Wow.
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 That's amazing. 2 cases. We pulled the same two cases. Same player.
Same case in them both.
But Bears are literally probably 3xing right now.
Yup. Let's go, Dispatcher. And then we have Jamar Chase to 17. That's sweet. Oh, yeah, Marky Mark. There's an Aaron Jones base. Matty Golden RPA to 20. Going to the pack. Going to the pack. Quinshaw on a $4.99. Dispatch is demolishing this break.
Yep.
It's not even fair. It's not even. Oh, we got an auto for Mr. Mark Olson. Van Ginkel. Binko. And the DeForest Franchise Foundation. We got an auto for Marky Mark, baby.
We take it. Van Ginkel usually sells well.
And he's got a Ty Felton rookie to 225, too. Shador on the certified. Another Bryce Young. This one's to 49. And how about a gold color match rookie?
Wow.
Of Derek Harmon. I love gold.
We need
75. I love gold. Thank you. Thank you for the share, Dispatcher. Appreciate you, girl.
I love gold.
Yeah. Last pack. Good luck, everybody. There's a Jackson Dart to 199 for the Giants. And a Jalen Milroe rookie patch to 299, both pink, to end out Zebreki.
Hey, we take it.
Guys, random team is pinned up down below.
Appreciate you guys.
Random team is pinned up down below.
Appreciate
Thank you, Craigie T.
Sorry we couldn't eat you, Shador. Yet.
What is gold?
What is gold?
Come on, Mandy. Come on, Mandy.
Do you appreciate me?
Always.
No
dude.
comment. No kidding. Of course we do.
Who modded him up?
Not me. I'm just kidding. Of course, man, you're a mod.
What do you think about me at night?
Definitely not.
Oh, unfortunately, yes. You're normally chasing me in my dreams.
One night I was because we were both in the same break, and I know it was a random player break, and you got Ben Simmons, so I was laughing.
Want me to do the recap?
So
Sure.
it's you and Alan that think about me.
Yeah. Can you tell? Alright, guys, I'm going to hop on for the recap here. Jersey, I'm going to let him eat his sandwich.
Yeah, buddy.
But, I mean, what a freaking break, guys. What an absolute monster of a break here. Listen, guys, we have been so impressed with Certified this year. FOTL. I mean, you just got to take advantage of it, guys. You just got to take advantage of it when it's in the shop. When it's in the shop. Guys, down below, we have that rando team pinned up. We also have fire, guys, if you want to hop in there. Icky Woods to 15 for the Bengalitos. Omarion Hampton to 13. Malik the Freak Neighbors to 25. Tyler Shuck to 13. Colton Loveland to 50. This is the worst hit the Bears had all break. Elijah Arroyo to 399. Ashton Genty to 199. Amon to 299. Bryce Young to 49. Isaac Garendo to 49. Dylan Gabriel to 35. Malik the Freak Neighbors to 10. Gold to 10. Derek Harmon to 10. Jalen Milrow. Yeah, Pops, you guessed it. To 10. Colton Loveland to 10.
What?
Jalen Walker, one more time, to 10. Case hit, Colton Loveland going to the Bears. Matthew Golden on the RPA to 20. Andrew Van Ginkel to 149. Michael Williams to 20. Buda Baker to 17. FOTL exclusive. Ashton Genty to 499. The greatest quarterback to ever play the game of football to 199. Trevor Etienne on the auto to 30. Mason Taylor to 35. Mason Graham to 15. Nasty patch there. Jamar Chase to 17. Kelvin Banks to 17. Travis Hunter to 199. And a Bryce Young to 299. Holy shit, if you are not getting in the next one, guys. How many golds? And we still haven't pulled a 101. And we still not have pulled a 101 out of this break. Out of this product, out of this case. We pulled it